Hey, it's Emmy again. I just wanted to remind you all that the fundraiser is ending tomorrow. Please bring in all your money and coupon books tomorrow so we can award prizes. Prizes will be delivered to the school in about 2 weeks. Also, keep in mind that you still have a little time to sell another book or two before tomorrow. Selling just one book will get you qualified to win a golden trophy. If you find a golden trophy in your prize bag, you will win one of these plug-and-play game systems. Thanks for participating, and I'll see you all later!